What up, Pace Squad? We are back with another vlog. As you can see with the title of the video, I need another perm. I loved it the first time, and I just want to get it again. It's just, look at this now. It's just freaking look like a mop. But we're gonna get there, show you a better, pretty much a better like quality video. I know last time it was a good video. Had a few thousand views. And we'll see. We'll see what happens. We're driving there now. Headliners Salon. Shout out to them. Shout out to my guy. I forgot his name, but he's a cool guy, great people. So we'll catch you guys. Also, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and just stay tuned for more. Nice little spot right here. Headliners Salon. So they just finished shampooing my hair. Now this is what my hair looks like before the perm. And these are the size rolls that I always get. So now he's just rolling up my hair with paper and pretty much the roll that I just showed you guys.
Yeah, baby.
Now he's just using this to dry up my hair. This is the worst part of getting the perm. The first liquid that you get is the one that stinks really, really bad. So, you'll have to hold your breath a few minutes there. But it's not too bad. So after he pours all those stinky liquid on my hair, he wraps it up with the plastic bag just so it soaks in. And after probably about 15 minutes, takes it all off, and he's about to wash my hair right here. Now after washing it, he dries it up. Also with a hair dryer. After that, he's gonna put the second liquid, which I believe is the Neutralizer. So this is the second liquid that he uses, which is the Neutralizer, and this one smells a lot better than the first one. Now after waiting about 10-15 minutes after he puts on the Neutralizer, takes all of this out, starts to look good, starts to see the curls, as y'all can see. Man, I love this guy. This guy is great. Now I honestly don't know what he's putting in there, but it looks like some kind of shampoo or something bubbling up my hair. I guess just to clean everything up, because it did stink a lot. Alright, so this is a different look from the first perm. My hair is a little longer here, so it looks a little weird. I got a big forehead, guys. Don't make fun of me. All done. We'll style it up later on, but you know what I'm saying. Shout out to my guy John over there. Cool guy. Guys, so this is my guy John. Just a great stylist. Always does my hair.
So we're Headliners Unisex Salon.com.
I'll put that down there in the subscription.
And
Make
the
sure.
phone number is 201-385-4900.
Yes, sir. Make sure you guys come check it out. You already know the vibes. It doesn't look as good right now, but you know, usually I get to style it up. It's a little long right now. Probably gonna go get a cut from my barber. But you know, always does a great job. My guy John. Shout out to him. Great guy. Make sure you guys come check out Headliners here in Bergenfield, New Jersey. But that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the process of getting this perm. You know, I like it. So we'll catch you all in another vlog. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you're new, if you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and hit that notification button, because there's gonna be more bangers coming up. You know what I'm saying? So see you guys later. Peace on the streets.